Hola de nada everyone, yo soy Shivani, estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you Spanish. So, this is our another video in which I can teach you Spanish through stories. So, today's story is about a date. What we call a date in Spanish. A date means una cita. Cita means date, una means a. Una cita means a date. So let's start. Julia está en una cita in an restaurant. Julia is on date in a restaurant. Julia está en una cita en un restaurante. Restaurante means restaurant. Cita means date. Una means a. Julia está is on. Means Julia is on. So Julia está en una cita en un restaurante. Julia is on a date in a restaurant. What does date say? Q queries commerce. What do you want to eat? K means what? Queries means do you want? Commerce means to eat. K carries commerce. What do you want to eat? You say una ensalada, a salad. Ensalada means salad in Spanish. Una ensalada means a salad. Julia said, no como carne, I don't eat meat. Julia said, no como carne, I don't eat meat. Carne means meat. Como means eat. No means I don't. No como carne means I don't eat meat. Date says, eres vegetariana. Eres vegetariana. Are you vegetarian? Vegetarian means vegetariana in Spanish and Iris means are you. Eres vegetariana. Are you vegetarian? Julia says, sí, yes. Date says, yo también. I also. También means also. So, yo también means I also. Julia says, perfecto. Perfect. Julia says, de donde eres? Where are you from? Donde means where in Spanish. Eres means are you. De means from. De donde eres means where are you from. Date says, soy americano. I am American. Date says, mi padre as de Cuba and mi madre as de Mexico. My father is from Cuba and my mother is from Mexico. Mi padre means my father. Cuba means Cuba. Mi mother means mi madre means my mother, and Mexico means Mexico. De means from. Mi padre es de Cuba and mi madre es de Mexico. My father is from Cuba and my mother is from Mexico. Julia says, yo soy cubano. I'm from Cuba. I am from Cuba. So they say Cuba es muy bonito. Means Cuba is very pretty. Bonita means pretty. Muy means very. Cuba es muy bonito means Cuba is very pretty. Did say tienes mascotas? Do you have pet? Mascotas means pet in Spanish and tiene means have. Tienes mascotas means do you have pet? Julia says tengo tres gatos and dos perros. I have three cats and two dogs. Gatos means cat in Spanish and perros means dog. Gato means cat in Spanish, perro means dog in Spanish, dos means two, tres means three, tango means I have. Julia said, tengo tres gatos and dos perros. I have three cats and two dogs. Date case, que interesante, how interesting. So, que interesante means how interesting. Que means how and interesante means interesting. Date say, yo también tengo dos perros Gabriela. I also have two dogs Gabriela. Yo también tengo dos perros Gabriela. I also have two dogs Gabriela. Julia say, so Julia, I'm Julia. Julia say, tú eres ghost, verdad? Are you just right? Verdad means right. Tú eres means are you? Ghost means road. Tú eres ghost, verdad? Are you just right? Date say, oh no. Date says, mi nombre es Daniel. My name is Daniel. Mi nombre es Daniel means my name is Daniel. Then, una mujer camina hacia Daniel. A woman walks towards Daniel. Una mujer means a woman in Spanish. Camina means walk. Hacia means towards. And Daniel means Daniel. Una mujer camina hacia Daniel. A woman walks towards Daniel. A woman says, hola, eres Daniel? Soy Gabriela. Are you Daniel? I'm Gabriela. Hola, eres Daniel? Soy Gabriela. Hi, are you Daniel? I'm Gabriela. Daniel say, no, lo siento, soy Ghost. No, I'm sorry, I'm Ghost. Daniel lied to his real dad just because he likes Julia. Lo siento means I'm sorry, and soy Dios means I'm Dios. Lo siento means I'm sorry. So, let's start. Julia está en una cita en un restaurant. Julia is on a date in a restaurant. ¿Qué quieres comer? What do you want to eat? Una ensalada o salad. No como carne. I don't eat meat. ¿Eres vegetariana? Are you vegetarian? Sí, yes. Yo también. I also. Perfecto, perfect. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Soy americano. I'm American. Mi madre es de Cuba. Y my madre es de Mexico. My father is from Cuba and my mother is from Mexico. Yo soy cubano. I'm Cuban. Cuba es muy bonito. Cuba is very pretty. Tiene mascotas. Mascotas. Do you have pets? Tengo 3 cotas y 2 perros. I have 3 cats and 2 dogs. Qué interesante. Qué interesante. How interesting. Yo también tengo 2 perros, Gabriel. I also have 2 dogs, Gabriela. Yo también tengo 2 perros, Gabriela. I also have 2 dogs, Gabriela. Julia said, oh, so, Julia. I'm Julia. Julia said, tú eres Jose, ¿verdad? Are you Jose? Right? Dad said, oh, no. Dad said, mi nombre es Daniel. My name is Daniel. Una mujer camina hacia Daniel. A woman walks toward Daniel. Woman say, hola, eres Daniel. Soy Gabriela. Hi, are you Daniel? I am Gabriela. Daniel say, no, lo siento, say goes. No, I'm sorry, I'm goes. Because Daniel likes another girl, that is Julia, so he lied to his real date. That's all for today. Hope you like this story. If you really like this story, please like, share, and comment on Language for All. Thank you. Gracias. Adois. Bye.